welcome back everybody. We are playing some more Subnautica today. Now, last time we played and made our basic equipment, and after I pressed the stop recording button, I made this grave error. Instead of saving first, I pressed quit, and I thought that this meant, you know, save your progress before you leave, and I clicked yes. So I didn't save that game. Gonna do that another time right now, just for, you know, safety measures. I started a new game really quick. I made all my basic equipment again. As you can see, I've got my knife, I've got my flashlight, my scanner, and my repair tool, and a little bit of materials, and we are ready to rock this game again. Fortunately though, on this playthrough I found a little bit of silver ore. Yeah, I love silver ore. You know why? Because now we can make, where is it? Here. The high capacity O2 tank. So let's put this back in our inventory, and then ba-ba. Now with this, our oxygen capacity will be bumped up to 135. Oh, glorious. Now we can stay underwater longer and farm even more materials. Now I did a little bit of scouting in the area and I found quite a few neat little things already. Over here, I believe, or somewhere in the neighborhood, there's a geyser. No, it's not here. Shut up. Well, there's the plant biome. There also is a red biome, you know, with the red grass. I don't know what it's called exactly. Where is the geyser area is always bountiful of all the stuff that we need in the beginning. Where is it again? I'm just gonna swim around for a while. Piece of wreckage. Wait, did we pass that here yet? Not since we got the scanner. Is there anything to scan? Nope. Nothing. Alright, let's... Oh, here's the geyser. Okay, there's some more wreckage. Let's quickly grab a little bit of air. And boom. Well, this is quite hazardous. Don't recommend going here without, you know, having a little bit of equipment. Yeah. Oh wow, yeah. That is nice, dudes. Yeah, this hurts. This physically hurts. Okay. I just want to grab this piece of wreckage right here. See, that peeper just got cooked alive by the by the geyser. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh wow. Hey, wait, what's that? A little bit more titanium. Never hurts. Never hurts. Let's pick up these fish. Little bugger. Alright. So next up on the list is finding stuff to scan, I guess. Let's see, we have 3 silver ore and 2 gold. That will take us far. Okay. I made this little container here, storage container. Just gonna put these things in here that I don't have a use for yet. No idea what they're for. And I think we got a message. Let's play it.
Receiving pre-recorded distress call, laying back.
This is Lifepod 3, uploading our coordinates. We're plugging some holes in our emergency sea glide, so if we're late for the rendezvous, don't
Sea
panic.
glide. There we go.
Also, don't go home without us. Seriously. 3 out.
The promise of a sea glide is really good, because a sea glide is another valuable piece of equipment that we're going to need very soon. The rebreather, yeah, we can build that pretty easily. Let's see, what, here, wiring kit and fiber mesh. Now, the wiring kit we can make because we just found a boatload of silver ore. And the fiber mesh is also very easy to make because it only requires the creep vine. And there we go. Well, we don't need all this stuff in our inventory right now. Definitely want to save the gold and silver ore. Let's have a little bit of food, a little bit of health, a little bit more water. There we go. All filled up, ready to rock. Let's quickly make a little bit more water. And go. It's getting night. It's good. It's almost nighttime now. It is nighttime. So our current course of action is fiber mesh. It's over there. It's so hard to tell. Yeah. Let's get our knives out. That's enough. Actually, no. It's not. Inventory full. Okay. Because fiber mesh also means first aid kits. Can't have enough of those. See, there's one. Nope, I need to go here. Yeah. Basic materials. Fiber mesh. Crafting. Okay, so the rebreather. Now, with the oxygen tank equipped, we'll be able to dive deeper before running out of oxygen. But if we dive below 100 meters, it will become more difficult to maintain our airspeed. So with this, that'll cancel out some of the effect, I believe. Let's make first aid kits. I don't know how many more we can make, but the more the better. We don't need ingots. So our next objective is to get
continued degradation of the Aurora's drive core may result in a quantum detonation. Continuing to monitor.
As something of a sci-fi nerdy type, I know that the word quantum and detonation, not the best combination. So, anyway, let's keep an eye out for more silver ore and copper and gold, so we can get a habitat builder going. First though, let's get to the Lifepod Beacon, because they were talking about a sea glider. Sea Glide. And I found one piece of the Sea Glide blueprint already, but we need 3. So if they have the remaining 2 I need, that'd be so good. Sea Glider is a great way to get through the ocean before getting a, I don't know what the thing's called, the mini submarine. Well, looky here. Wait, is it complete? Wow, we can already make it. Wow, that is groovy. Oh, by the way, I still hate those tiny exploding fish. Ah, there's one. No, get away, get away. Ah, you freaking bastards. Well, I'm taking this. Because I can, okay? Alright. Not too worried. I won't kill you right away, and we've got plenty of medkits. And we can make plenty of medkits if we need them. Where's the... Oh, I got lost. Oh yeah, we're gonna need some of these table coral. There we go. And why? Let's see. Table coral. See? Exploitable in computer chip fabrication. So, if we want to get that, thing going, be a habitat builder. We're gonna make computer chips, and we're gonna need table coral. This is quite a big stretch. Going for an objective we know we already have, but beggars can't be choosers, right? What do we have here? Salt. Our dear friend brain coral. What do we have here? Another sea glide fragment. Don't need to scan it, because if we do, then we only get some extra titanium, which right now is just inventory space that we need for more expensive things, the greater, the finer things in life. Hey, Gary, how you doing?
New creature discovered.
Oof. Did I scan this yet? Nope. Okay, before we head inside, let's grab a little bit more air again. Alright. Now what? See? Sea glide fragments. That's basically all we came for. But is there anything else? An abandoned PDA. And
Integrating new PDA data.
is that a compass? Yes. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, let's head back because I want to make a sea glide. It takes such a long while. I really want to scan one of these guys. Can I? Yes. Just don't mind me. I'm just scanning your butt. Jesus Christ, that takes long. You know, those things, they hurt, but I'm just wondering, since they come out of the back end, is this like exploding poop? Exploding, glowing poop. When we start base building, gonna need a trash can.
New blueprint
These wreckages,
acquired.
they've got, you know, stuff all over, and we're gonna need to scan basically every single thing that we can find. Yeah. Scan it, because I don't think we scanned it. Yeah. More titanium. Jesus. Alright, alright. Ooh. Man, I wish I had a beacon. We got some inventory space, so let's see if we can find some more stuff we can take with us. Good stuff, baby. More silver. Oh, we need a lot of that. I don't see any exploding fish. Lead. Gold. Oh man, I'm so rich. Inventory is full, but yeah. Okay, we're going back. No. Where's there? Okay. Now with the sea glide, this would be so much easier. Boom, baby. Can we loot something? Oh, actually, yeah, let's do that. So we have 2 more inventory space. Because inside this, we had some more sandstone. More silver. No. We got enough sulfur for now. This way. Well, I wish I could record in high def, like full HD, but my graphics card is just not up to snuff. I can play the game in full HD, that's fine, but when I start recording, it just doesn't cut it. And the first time I uploaded part 1, there was a graphic error with the exporting. My card, it's got this really unique, I don't know what else to call it. Oh, hi guys. My graphics card has this really unique bug where sometimes the display on the screen would go mental and display all kinds of graphic errors. And it's not broken, it's just it looks weird and it makes your vision obscured, and every now and then it slips through the cracks, and it just slipped through the cracks when I was compiling my first video. I uploaded it straight away, and there was the graphical bug inside the video. So bad. Wait, what were we doing? What were we doing? I'm lost. Bye, Gary.
It is common for those accustomed to synthetic foods to be repulsed by eating an animal carcass. Remember that humans survived this way for millennia. You can too.
I need the compass. But first we really need to get a habitat going so we can make some storage containers. Yeah. Can we make it? Yeah, I don't know why not. First though, the Sea Glide, where is it? Is it deployables? Yeah, okay. Lubricants. The battery? Alright. Battery, we need acid mushroom. We can make this. See, a computer chip. We'll need that later. So we need a battery and lubricant. Lubricant is from the creep vines, and for the battery we need acid mushroom. Okay. We got a Sea Glide coming in soon, baby. Acid mushrooms are everywhere. Hey, hello. Woo! It's definitely something we need. Let's just take... Oh, come on. Of course I didn't dump anything. I'll just throw away a freaking... Oh, these require 4. Such a waste. Plenty of titanium in the world. Let me tell you, one Sea Glide is definitely worth a lot more than 4 titanium. Let's get battery and the lubricant.
Is essential in construction of vehicles and power plants.
Yes. There we go.
Will increase your effective exploration range.
It
For your
indeed
safety,
will.
please pack supplies for long journeys and stay within 5 kilometers of the nearest life pod or habitat.
Okay, speaking of habitats, next project on the list will be the habitat builder. We still have a wiring kit. We need another battery, which is easy, and then a computer chip. Computer chip, we need copper wire. For copper wire, we need copper ore. We don't have any more? No! Yeah, we do. But is it enough, though? No. Is it? No, I need one more. Okay. But since we have our trusty Sea Glide, this is not going to be a problem anymore. This swim speed is ridiculously fast compared to your normal swim speed. I love it.
Congratulations,
Oh, look.
Survivor. You have exceeded your weekly exercise quotient by 500%.
Yeah,
Data
that'll go
indicates
down
that swimming was your
once we get
favorite
that
activity.
mini sub.
Be sure to vary your routine for uniform muscle development.
Also not what I need.
Short-range scans suggest this biome supports extensive biodiversity and connects to a number of small cave networks.
Oh shit, sharks. Oh god, no. And, oh wow, I am rocking hard place. I mean, come on. I just came here for 1 copper. That's not too much, right? Titanium? Nope. Get away from me. Oh shit, it's one of those glowing ones. Yeek. Swim faster, boys. What's the salt? What's this?
30 seconds.
Do we have time? The Seamoth. Yes. Go away. Ow! Okay. You know what?
Oxygen.
Okay. The Seamoth is definitely one of the things I want to build. If you don't know, the Seamoth is a mini one-person submarine. It extends our range to explore by hundreds of miles, as long as we bring batteries. Because essentially, it has its own oxygen supply built in. Ah, la la la. Okay, I'm gone. I got full inventory anyway. Yeah. Did I get copper enough? Yeah. Okay. Right? I got copper, right? No, I didn't get copper yet. Shame on me. Oh wait, yeah. So we don't need the flashlight anymore now. Still. Might be copper down here. Risk it? Yeah, let's just go in. Why is it so hot in here? Gold. Lead. God damn it. We need to get out of here. Like pronto. This is way too close for comfort. Scanned this already. Come on, guys. Where is the copper? Where is it? Where is it? No. Too fast for you now. Ah, sucker. Later, bitch. Annoying that there you have. Okay, we still do need the flashlights. Yeah. Come. Okay. I guess we still do need the flashlight because the light is a lot better. Woo! Switch it off, save battery. Okay. What we'll be doing? We have the sea glide. We need to have to build it, right? Yeah. So we need a battery. What was I making? Yeah, we don't know that one yet. Couple wire to make the computer chip.
New blueprint acquired.
Okay. And next up is battery. And what do we have? We need one copper ore. Damn it, another copper. Good God. It's just one. It's not that big of a problem. Decomposing cooked Gary fish. Wow, that is actually fucked. Okay, well, let's head back out there. Where was that giant coral tube? Oh, absolutely brimming with stuff. Don't need one of these, but like the really big one. If you don't have any kind of oxygen tank and you try to swim through, you'll drown because it's just too big. Where did you go, my friend? No. Oh. Yeah. Oh, baby, we are swimming. Literally. Wait, are we still swimming because of this thing? I don't know. God dang it! One thing that is quite different about this game is that you really do need to go out and farm a lot. And inventory space is limited. Yes! Okay.
The Builder tool is designed to construct habitats capable of withstanding extreme environmental conditions.
The habitat builder, we'll put that on the repair tool for now. So, we have upgraded our O2 tank, we made a rebreather, we got a sea glide, and finally the habitat builder. And in our inventory, in our container, are plenty of starting materials to get our first base going. Let's do that next time. This is it for episode 2, and we will continue next time with base building. It's been a pleasure, and see you next time.